Today, I'm going to talk about card finishes. This is one of the most common topics our sales team discusses with customers who reach out to create cards for their organizations. When a company creates letterhead or a marketing mailing, for example, many paper options are available. Some are smooth, others may be more textured. Similarly, when we create plastic cards for our customers, they can choose a card finish or surface texture that communicates their brand's values and aesthetic. The finishes we offer include gloss, frosted, matte, and others displayed in the options section of our website. The first question that we always ask a customer is, how will your card be utilized? Will it be part of a promotional mailing that will be used for marketing purposes, for example? Or will it be a card that a customer will hold on to and store in their wallet? Some of the cards we make are inserted into card readers or swiped regularly. We may recommend different card finishes based on the card's intended use. For example, if a customer wants to create a casino loyalty card or player's card, we would automatically know that this card would not only be stored in and regularly removed from a wallet, it would also be inserted into a slot machine or another card reader. Based on this card usage, we would know that a glossy card finish applied to a dark colored card would begin to show surface scratches after a while. In this case, we might advise the customer to either use a different card finish or lighter colored artwork. One option, for example, is for the customer to use what we call a frosted finish, which has a smooth, matte look that does a much better job of hiding surface scratches. The same is true when we print on clear cards. A frosted clear card will hide scratches better than a glossy clear card. On the other hand, we may receive a request from a customer to produce a card that will be affixed to a letter as part of a marketing campaign. These types of cards are often not designed to be retained. Instead, they emphasize a promotional offer and include contact information for redeeming it. In this case, since the card will be protected inside a mailer and won't be stored in a person's wallet or swiped, there are no issues with using a gloss finish. Even if the card's artwork is dark, it won't be used enough by the recipient to show scratches. Another example is a membership card that the customer prints a member name and identification number on themselves. Since the customer will use their own thermal desktop printer to print member information on the card, we advise against a matte or bumpy finish, which would impact the clarity of the member name and number. At Plastek, we know that every customer has different needs and uses for the cards we produce. Our experienced sales team is always available to help you determine the best finish for your project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the channel.